Welcome to Newfies-Dialer. Today we're going to talk about text-to-speech and tag replacement. That is to say, personalizing voice broadcast messages with custom information for each contact called using text-to-speech. We have many customers using this for both appointment reminders and for debt control. Looking at a contact I prepared earlier, you can see we added custom information specific to the contact, including the date, the time, and the address of the customer to play an appointment reminder. This data can be added manually, uploaded as a text file, or delivered using an API. In the survey, we can type the script we want to play to our contact, using tags to personalize the message. So in this case, the message would be, "Hello, we have a message for full name. This is Acme Pest Control. We will be arriving on work date, at work time, at your address." We use curly brackets to denote that these tags are to be replaced by the variables listed against the contact we looked at earlier. We could add more survey sections to have them confirm the appointment or transfer to the office to reschedule. We set up the campaign in the usual way, setting the caller ID, phone book, schedule and so on. And we can use answering machine detection to leave a message with the appointment details right after the beep, as shown here. Once the campaign is complete, save it, then start it. The customer will hear the following.
"Hello, we have a message for John Smith. This is Acme Pest Control. We will be arriving on May 5th, 2018 for 10 a.m. at your address, 123 Acacia Avenue."
Newfies-Dialer is compatible with many text-to-speech services, but our recommendation for both price and performance is Bing's text-to-speech from Microsoft. There is a link in the description to find out about their service and the many languages that it supports. Thank you for watching, and please contact us if you have any questions or need support on Newfies-Dialer.